We're standing here in downtown Winthrop. This is the new pedestrian footbridge that's being built across the Methow River. It's going to connect into the proposed Susie Stephens trailhead. You can see across the river it's going to join into the outdoor skating rink in wintertime. And the bridge is scheduled to be finished by 31 October. It's going to be pretty cool. Now you're not going to have to fight people and bikes through downtown Winthrop. It's part of the town of Winthrop's project to make the riverfront more accessible. It's a mid-September day. Beautiful time to come and visit the Methow Valley.